करते हैं कि प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल पे जाएं, मेरी वीडियोस देखें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें।
Welcome to my vlog on Manar Al Aman Hotel in Medina. In this video, I'll share my honest experience staying here and whether it's a good choice for visitors to the Prophet's Mosque. The hotel's location, just a 5-minute walk from Al Masjid in Nabawi, making it very convenient for pilgrims. The reception staff was friendly and cooperative whenever I had a request. To be honest, I found the hotel not very tidy. The cleanliness did not meet my expectations. Housekeeping service is available, but it wasn't up to standard. The carpets, furniture, and even the bathrooms felt old and not well maintained. The rooms and furniture look worn out and in need of upgrades. If you're looking for affordable accommodation, it's worth considering. This hotel is one of the cheaper options near the Prophet's Mosque. If you're coming by car, finding parking can be a challenge as there are very few spaces available. If you only care about being close to the Prophet's Mosque and don't mind average cleanliness, this could work for you. Let me know in the comments if you've stayed here before and what your experience was. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel vlogs.
الصلاة والسلام عليك يا حزب المرسلين. الصلاة والسلام عليك يا عمر بن الخطاب. الصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله. الصلاة والسلام عليك يا حزب المرسلين. الصلاة والسلام عليك يا عمر بن الخطاب. Like and subscribe please.
Thank you.